Now I'm going to run the code to show you how questions works. At first, I'm going to use the first three queries that are described in the top of the specification. The first one, um, this is the expected answer of the query what are the types of supervised learning. The next query is going to be when was Python 3 released? As same as before, we can see here that this is the expected answer. And the last one is how do neurons connect in the neural network? And this is the answer that is shown in the specification as well. Now I'm going to use two queries that are not in the specification. The first one is going to be where the word probability derives from. Here in the answer we can see that the word probability derives from and it's followed by the explanation, and so we can see here that this is the correct answer. The last one is going to be how computer science defines AI. Here we can see in the answer, the same as before, that computer science defines AI and the explanation of the answer. Well, this is all the implementation for questions.